Let's going to see a topic about uh, programming in C. So here we are going to discuss about logical operator. So C has three logical operators, which while means one is a logical operator and or not. So these are the symbols which are used when to test or more than one conditions and making decisions. So here we have given some examples, that is A is an operator which is given for as an input, and B is another input, and which is represents as strings, which combines two or more relational expressions, which is termed as a logical expressions as compounded in relational expressions. So next is this is some of the examples for the logical operators. So in here we are giving x equal to 5 and y equal to 0, and x and y which represents that is not equal to 0. So here we are going to represent, we are given the two conditions, and this two conditions will check whether it's true or false. So if it is checks the condition is true, then the output will be 0. Then the condition is false, the true, then the condition will be 1, and if the condition is false, then it will be process the 0. So next is assignment operators. So assignment operators which are used to assign the result of an expression to the variable. So there are three categories of operations, mainly in assignment operator. So one is simple assignment, and second one is component assignment, and third one is assignment as expressions. So here also the assignment operators will mainly focused with the combinations of two operators or some functions which has happened already, and it will give the results of 1. So here for example we are approximating that a equal to a plus I, and plus equal to operators will be represented. So a equal to a into n plus 1, and a into equal to n plus 1. So here first bracket will be explained as a format, and next it will be represents as the and operation. So two operations will represent in this assignment operators. So next one is increment and decrement operators. So increment operators mainly focus for giving the increment the values. For example, here we are represents the days equal to 5, which becomes after the completion of the program, it represents as 6. That is 1 plus 1. The a plus plus which represents as a plus 1. So it always represents the one values greater than, and same while so I simultaneously represents for also the same separations. So if it is represents as a plus plus, if the a value is 5, then it will be processed in the next round. It will gives the 6, and it will increase as the plus 1 value. At the same simultaneously, if the value represents as minus, that is a minus minus, then simultaneously the 5 value will decrease as the 1 value which represents the 4. And next in here we have included some programs, that is hash include main dot main, that is varchar 1 equal to some value and 2 is equal to some value. So here the another operators is one's complement, and right shift and left shift operators. So here bitwise AND operator represents a single and logical operators will represent such one simultaneously, and bitwise OR and bitwise XOR. So here 2 x y value is false, then x into y it will represent as 0, that is 0 into 0 0. So all the values it represents as 0. Same as 1 into 0 will represent 1. For addition, multiplication will give 0, and another it will be give the division will give the 1. So same as 1 into 1, that is 1 divided by 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1, this is 1 0, that will represent as same as 0. So here another value is bitwise, that is operations for that concept. So another is here will represents the left shift and a right shift and bitwise and bitwise or and bit inversion. So here also this gives the explanations about that. Before that is x is 15, which considers 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Same as after it will represent this 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4. So bitwise and operators and operators. So output of bitwise operators will represent the corresponding bitwise two operators, same as which has been seen already. So here bitwise OR operator and bitwise NOR operator, and this is a bitwise exclusive OR operators. So the result of this bitwise OR operators corresponds to operands of the opposite numbers. Bitwise complement operator. So bitwise complement operator is in the operator and see that its complement operator is 35. For any integer n, bitwise complement of n in bit b represents as minus n plus 1. So thank you.